Hi, Patrick from Jotform here to show you how you can integrate your online form with PieSync in a few easy steps. To get started, search for PieSync in our Form app directory. Select PieSync and open the app to log into your PieSync account. Then, select Jotform from the list of apps and choose which additional apps you'd like to connect Jotform to. Authorize the connection with your Jotform API key, which you can find in the settings of your Jotform account. Select the API tab in your settings and copy the API key. Then, paste it in PieSync to authorize your Jotform account. Be sure to choose which form you'd like to sync new contacts from. Then, authorize the account you're connecting with Jotform. You can map fields to make sure the contact info you collect is seamlessly synced between accounts. When you're done, click Start Syncing to finish setting up the integration. Once you publish your online form and start collecting responses, submissions will instantly be synced to all of the other accounts you have set up in PieSync. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more Jotform tips and tutorials.